Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to install and activate the free version of Bookly, the appointment scheduling plugin for WordPress. Bookly is an open source plugin that you can download directly from WordPress.org. There are two main ways to install it on your site. To manually upload Bookly, go to WordPress.org and type Bookly in the search bar. Open the Bookly page and download the plugin archive. Log in to your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Plugins, Add Plugin, then click Upload Plugin. Select the file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Another way is to install Bookly directly in the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Click Add Plugin. Enter Bookly in the search field and press Enter. When you see Bookly in the search results, click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, Bookly will appear in your admin panel. Check the video about Bookly Initial Setup. It shows you how to add the Bookly booking form to your site and start accepting online appointments. If you'd like to unlock advanced features, you can upgrade to one of our professional plans. Visit Bookly website to explore available bundles and pricing options. For example, Bookly Pro gives you access to multiple booking form designs, Google Calendar Sync, WooCommerce integration, online meetings, financial reports, and much more. After purchasing your preferred plan, download the latest version from your Bookly cabinet. Log into your WordPress site as an admin. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, select the Bookly file, and click Install Now. Then go to the Add-ons section in Bookly and activate your purchase code. If you enjoy using Bookly, please rate us on WordPress. Your feedback is very important to us. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and check the links in the description for more information about Bookly. See you soon!